How to fix TikTok text-to-speech not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok text-to-speech not working. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first solution that I'm actually going to show you is to check if our TikTok is updated. So to do that, just open up your app store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and search for TikTok at your search bar. Tap on TikTok, and what we're going to focus here is this button right here. If it shows an update button, that means that your TikTok is currently outdated and you have to update it by simply clicking on this update button. If it says open, that means that your TikTok is currently updated and you're good to go. Once you have made sure that your TikTok is updated, just open up your TikTok app. And first, I'm going to show you where this text-to-speech feature is located. So this is shown when you make a TikTok video. So to do that, just click on this plus button at the bottom mid, right here. And from here, you can just record a video you want for your TikTok. So I'm just going to record real quick. Once you have recorded a video, you can just click on this AA icon right here that says text at the bottom. And this is where you can type in the text you want for your TikTok. And this is also where you can type the text you want to convert to speech later on. So for example, I'm just going to type in hello and just click on done over here. After that, just click on the text that you added again on the video. And you should see the option that says text-to-speech. Just click on that.
Hello!
And that is actually how the feature works. Now, if that does not show on the creation of your TikTok video, one thing that you can do is to make sure that you are at the profile page. And once you're here, click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. I'll scroll down a bit, and under the support section, click on report a problem. And from here, we are going to compose a report and tell the TikTok that we don't have the text-to-speech feature. So click on this compose button at the top right corner and wait for it to load. Click on the compose button once again so we can customize our feedback. So for example, I'm just gonna replace this. My text-to-speech feature is missing, so something like that. And you can attach media or video files so that it will be shown that your text-to-speech is really not there or not working. So that is how you can basically fix TikTok text-to-speech not working. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.